Here's a super tasty appetizer that you can make really quickly, really easily in your air fryer. It's crispy asparagus with a breaded Parmesan crust and a lemony aioli. Start by trimming your asparagus, removing the tough ends of the stalks. Bending the asparagus to see where it breaks naturally is a good measure of where to cut. Add some flour and salt to a sealable bag and shake the asparagus around to coat it lightly. Beat a couple of eggs in a shallow pan. In a second pan, combine some seasoned breadcrumbs, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some garlic powder. Then coat the asparagus with the egg, then the crumb mixture before putting it into your air fryer basket. Spritz it well with a little bit of oil and then air fry at 400 degrees for 9 to 12 minutes until the breadcrumbs are browned and the asparagus is cooked through. The lemon aioli dip for the asparagus is super easy. Just combine mayonnaise, mustard, olive oil, lemon zest, and juice, and some garlic powder. Whisk it together, season to taste, and you're done. These are best served right out of your air fryer, so plate them up and hand them out. Asparagus is always delicious out of your air fryer, but with a cheesy coating, it's even better.